Hello, my English speakers. I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. You did not just watch videos, you showed up for 15 days. Today, English becomes your habit. 15 દિવસ તમે જીત્યા. Now I share a big realization. Fluency is not a miracle. It's a habit. English કોઈ ટેલેન્ટ નથી, એ આદત છે. What you do daily becomes natural. Now I have 3 reasons why people lost fluency. Reason number 1, stop practicing. Practice બંધ કરવી. Reason number 2, wait for confidence. Confidence આવે પછી બોલીશ એવો વિચાર. Reason number 3, not routine. રૂટીનમાં ના હોય ત્યારે. Remember, confidence comes from routine. Now English habit formula. 10 minutes multiply daily, multiply same pattern. 10 minutes daily એક જ pattern. Example of daily pattern. 2 minutes self talk. 4 minutes repeat sentence. 4 minutes free speaking. Now natural speaking practice. Example. Today I am speaking English. I don't care about mistakes. I enjoy English now. Enjoyment means fluency. Now I share identity confirmation. Say it aloud with me. I am an English speaker. English is part of my life. I speak daily. Identity change means permanent change. Now I present my gratitude. I am proud of you. Very few people finish what they start. તમે special છો. So guys, this is not the end. This is your beginning. આ કોઈ ending નથી. આ તો તમારી નવી શરૂઆત છે. Friends, promise yourself. I will speak English daily. And listen. Natural English is now your habit. Write in comment, English habit. So guys, see you soon tomorrow on day 16, where we learn speak English in real conversation. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.